can't do this to her! Okay?
No!
Please! Leave me alone! You can't do this to her! Okay? Now you listen to me now! You can't keep surviving women and creatures like men!
No!
Okay?
Don't!
Look at me! No! Please! Let me talk to him!
Please! Please!
Do you hear me?
Anything happen?
Look at me!
Please!
I am Nuamir! I can do whatever I want. Even kill you right now if I wanted to.
Please!
Don't! Try to kill me!
Don't!
Okay?
Don't!
Try to kill me!
Don't! Please!
Amit! Okay?
Calm down! Calm down!
Kill me! D'accord!
Please! Please! Please!
No!
Please! Please!